Well, 60-second Sunday. Let's have a look what's on the trailer. We've got TEA with a 9-hole drawbar. Original rims and tyres. The battery's not there. The bonnet is in the back. It's a full alloy bonnet with a hole cut in it for the air cleaner. The radiator and all's crook. That's not very good at all, but I'll just come around the other side of the trailer here. They've taken the top off the air cleaner and put it as a pre-cleaner, but this is the reason I bought it here. So you've got the proper Howard reduction box in it, and Nige, the bloke I just bought it off, it had a flat battery, so we just turned the key on, put an old battery in, cranked the handle, and away it went, and we drove him up. So there you go.